Output settings are very important in Camera Raw because that finally determines how the file that we were working on will be as an output. To adjust those settings, go to this hyperlink at the bottom of Camera Raw. Let's click on that and it will open up the workflow option dialog box. Well, let's explore it. The first option is color space. Here, when you click there will be 4 options. First is Adobe RGB, which was a default, and I'll recommend to select this if you are working on an image that you want to publish digitally. But if you are going to print the image, I'll recommend go to sRGB. We will keep the default for now. The second option is depth. You click on that and you'll find 2. One is 8 bits per channel and 16 bits per channel. Next is for image sizing. If you want to resize the image, just click on here, and from now you can resize image based on width and height, dimensions, long side, short side, megapixels or percentage. If you don't want to enlarge, just tick don't enlarge. Now you will be able to give an input for your width and heights and the units as well. If you want to change the resolution, you can change it from here. Right now it is set as 300 pixels per inch. You can choose whether to go pixels per inch or pixels per centimeter. Next is output sharpening. If you click here, you can select whether you want to sharpen the image to display on a screen, to print on a glossy paper, or to print on a matte paper. Let's say we want this matte paper. Then there is a second option for how much sharpening you want, lower, standard or higher. For now we'll keep as it is. And the last one is whether you want to open as smart objects in Photoshop or not. So whenever you open this image in Photoshop, if you have checked this button, you'll open the image as a smart object. Well, this is an advanced concept and we will look at here later. I'll just click on cancel. If you want to save these options and settings, you will be clicking on OK. So this is how you can change the output settings in Camera Raw.